Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the absolute best fried rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of day-old, cold cooked rice. This is crucial for that perfect texture. Also, prepare your protein, like 4 ounces of shrimp or chicken, and 1 cup of chopped vegetables such as peas and carrots. Having everything ready ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's talk about heat. Use a wok or a large, heavy-bottomed skillet. It's vital to get your pan incredibly hot before adding any oil. This high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, is what gives fried rice its signature smoky flavor, often called wok high. It also ensures your ingredients cook quickly and don't become soggy. Now for the cooking technique. Add 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like peanut or canola, to your super hot pan. Cook your protein first, then remove it. Next, stir-fry your vegetables for about 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, add the cold rice, breaking up any clumps, and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Reintroduce the protein. To finish, push the rice to one side and add 2 beaten eggs to the empty space, scrambling them quickly. Mix the eggs into the rice. Then, pour in your sauce, typically 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar, stirring until everything is well combined. A final drizzle of 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a sprinkle of fresh scallions completes this perfect dish. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.